make some art this October? We're going to run a program called the Art of Illustration, and we're going to do it in a Zoom format. Each week, for 4 weeks, you'll have a chance to make a piece of art in the style of a different contemporary illustrator of picture books. 4 weeks, 4 illustrators, and 4 different media. And the best part, we're going to outfit you with a little kit of all the supplies you'll need to do this at home. So please, go to our website, www.kfpl.ca. Scroll through the programs and events to look for the Art of Illustration, and then register beginning Saturday, September 5th. I hope to see you there.